Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Clash of Clans account back. First, verify if your account is connected to a Supercell ID, Google Play, or Apple ID. Attempt to log in using any email addresses you might have linked previously. It's also crucial to make sure your Clash of Clans game is updated to its most recent version to avoid any compatibility issues during the recovery process. If the initial steps don't work, your next move is to contact Supercell support directly. Open your Clash of Clans game, go to the Settings menu, and then select Help and Support. From there, look for options related to account or lost account. Finally, choose Contact Us and provide a detailed, clear explanation of your account recovery issue. When contacting support, having specific details ready will significantly speed up the process. Be prepared to provide your exact in-game name and the name of your clan. You should also know your town hall level and your experience level. Additionally, recalling the last time you played and any in-app purchases, including the approximate date and amount, is incredibly helpful. After submitting your request, Supercell support usually responds within 24 to 48 hours. It's vital to carefully follow any instructions they provide to ensure a smooth recovery. While you wait, please avoid creating a new Clash of Clans account on the same device, as this can complicate the process. Patience is key during this period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.